Good morning. Welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Well, hello, Full Circle Ozark family. I wanted to take a moment and give you an update on the shop. I got a lot of my stuff moved in, and that's going to be on a separate video, moving some of the stuff in here, so be watching for that. But anyway, I got enough of my stuff moved into the shop that I can kind of place things a little bit and get an idea on how I want to do some storage shelves. So that's what we're working on today. We're going to be building some shelves. As you'll see in the background here, I already have some of them started. And so we're going to be finishing these right here up. And matter of fact, let me get behind the camera for a moment and I'll swing around and give you a better view. Okay, on this shelf right here, those are nine foot that way. Just a little over 9 actually. And there's going to be 5 shelves. I have one shelf to finish to go on the top. It will go right up there. And I'm building this out of red oak 2x4s that I'm milling with my mill. And so I'll show you some of that milling a little bit later as I get some of this milled up. But that gets kind of heavy. If you notice, I've got a pulley up there to help pull those up. So, and then right here in the middle, let me back up a little bit. This is a 10-foot area here from this post here over to that post. So that's going to be a 10-foot shelf there. And I've got 3 of the shelves up, and there's going to be 2 more that's going to go up in that area there. And then I've got to put some OSB, I believe it's what I want to use on the actual shelf area. And then finally, this is the last part that we'll be working on right here. We're going that will be a little over 9 feet in that area there. And yeah, this area here is going to be a little over 9 feet. So we're going to have 5 shelves to go up here also. So anyway, I want to bring you along for that. What I've already got up here, I just kind of started thinking. I didn't have it written out how I wanted to do it, so I'm just kind of planned it as I went. And so I've pretty much got it figured out what I want to do now. I need to go down and get some lumber. So I'm going to go down to the Full Circle Ozarks sawmill. And as a matter of fact, I've already got some lumber milled and put on the tractor. So I want to bring that up there, and we're going to begin to make the rest, some more of these shelves and get those up there. So hope you stay tuned and kind of watch the progress here. Hello, Full Circle Ozarks family. It's time to put a blade on the mill and do some milling. So let's get started. I actually have looks like 6 blades left over from my initial purchase. So at some point in the near future, I'm going to have to start sharpening some of these blades. I've got a sharpener and a setter, so we'll be trying that out soon. But in the meantime, I'm just going to put a fresh blade on and get some 2x4s milled up for a project. Okay, we'll take this over to the mill and get it put on. half, 1, half, 2, half, 3. I think that'll do it. Okay, that's got the new blade put on. Let me go ahead and get a log set on the mill and we'll get started here. Well, it's getting dark on me. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 2x4s. I've got, looks like 4 more on the mill. And so it'll be 12, and I've got about 6 on the ground that I will edge up tomorrow. So that's a pretty good haul out of that log. So